Hello and welcome to Red Fox Institute and your section Ask the Holistic Vet. Today we're going to talk a little bit about dentals and your animal and your dogs or cats, anesthesia versus not. So, after 30 years of practicing veterinary medicine, yes, your dog or cat can have their teeth cleaned with no anesthesia, as long as they're not having gingivitis. Okay? If you see a red line in their gums, okay, that means that dental disease is progressing, and you need to go and clean their teeth under the gum. Root planning. Anybody who has gone, as us as humans, to the dentist and gets that done, it hurts. Okay, so that's one of the first things. When they bring the animals to me and say, "Well, can my dog or cat have dental with no anesthetic?" The first thing I examine the mouth. If it has hard plaque and tartar, that can be done if it's not too much. But if the mouth looks like it has rotten teeth, like a zombie, okay, or the gums are red and inflamed, they need to have to be put under anesthetic. Why? Because they need to have dental x-rays, okay? So that's the two main differences. But, for the last 20 years at least, I have had, and there's a link in our website, of outfits that come, very trained, nice young men and women who are nurse technicians, and they clean the teeth. My own animals get it done every 6 months. Every 6 months, okay? And that's the other key. But then again, my animals are not on dry food or canned food. Dry food, like eating Oreos or graham cookies, they cake teeth. That's a myth, okay? Dry food does not clean teeth. Dry food is like eating cookies. It will cake their teeth. Canned food also, okay? So most dogs and cats that are on dry food and canned food will have their mouths more caked with plaque and tartar and more gingivitis, all right? And so, okay, those will need dental cleanings more often, all right? Dogs on home-cooked food or raw food, that is not as bad, simply because, their teeth are designed in a different way. I don't know if you folks know, but dogs and cats' teeth are not flat like yours and I. Cats and dogs' teeth are jagged, okay? They're sharp. They're designed to cut meat or prey from the prey and swallow it. They're not designed to crunch, okay, on eating on dry food. That cakes their teeth. So if they're on dry or canned food, chances are they're not going to be candidates for dental free anesthetic. They're going to have dental with anesthetic and x-rays of their mouth. That is a must. Everybody knows who is in the veterinary field about this. But yes, they can have dental with no anesthetic as long as there's plaque and tartar, but no gingivitis. Very well. Amazingly, and on these links you'll see of these outfits who do this, there's videos about them. And I was skeptical at first, like anything. Remember that even if I am an integrative holistic doctor, I'm very skeptical about things, and in every modality that I have learned, I have to be convinced that it works. And it does. And the animals, not all of them, but I will say 80 to 85% of animals are very patient with the dental-free anesthetic, and let them do it, okay? So, of course, try to go to an integrative doctor or a veterinary doctor who does offer these services to give you a choice. Be your own advocate. Very well. That's all for today. Thank you for being with us. Until next time. Keep sending me questions, and let's continue our journey.